Arbitrationagreements.org. Have you ever wondered if what you say during a mediation process stays in that room? Well, let's find out by exploring whether or not mediation is confidential. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics that can save you time and money. Now, mediation is a method of dispute resolution that involves a neutral third party known as the mediator. But is this process confidential? The answer is yes. In most jurisdictions, mediation is confidential. This confidentiality is protected by law, and the details of the discussion can be disclosed to anyone who's not part of the process. Often, before the mediation starts, all parties sign a confidentiality agreement to maintain the privacy of the conversations that occur during the session. Statistics reveal that over 80% of disputes taken to mediation reach a resolution, according to a study by the National Association for Community Mediation. This success rate is often attributed to the trust established through confidentiality. But remember, there are exceptions to confidentiality in certain situations, like in cases of criminal conduct or threats of harm, where the mediator is legally obligated to report. With almost 7 out of 10 individuals finding mediation less stressful and more cost-effective than litigation, it's no wonder why it's becoming a popular choice for conflict resolution. So, if you're considering mediation, remember that what's said in the room stays in the room. It's confidential and private. If you want to learn more information about mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to handle claims in a controlled fashion within a cost-effective manner. To start a new account or case, feel free to give us a call. Also, what do you think about mediation? Does confidentiality matter to you when resolving disputes? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about the law that can help your business succeed.